Welcome back to my channel. This is Pema. So Happy New Year. First and foremost, I wanted to wish you a very happy 2023. And this video is going to be sit and talk kind of video. Since few days back, I was thinking about making a video of me reflecting on my 2022, but I was kind of busy having some gathering or some other works. I couldn't do it in the end of 2022, but I know it's late, but it's not too late, so I'm going to do it, because I think without reflecting on 2022, how could I start my 2023? So that's my point. I got some question prompt to answer, so I'm going to answer the question one by one, and yeah, let's get started with the video. So the first question says, define 2022 in one word or one sentence. So 2022 for me is one of the best year as compared to the previous years. It is one of the best, unexpectedly best year. Yeah. And then second question says, best memories of 2022. So I got a lot of best memories this year, last year, 2022. If I have to list some, one of the best memories was my wedding night, where my friends, my families, my siblings surprised me with their performances. Yeah, that was one of the best memories. And another best memory that I was talking is it was in Goa. It was on my birthday. I didn't expect any surprises or something like that, because we were in Goa doing our course that was so intense. It was very hard for us to get a proper break. How could I expect someone to surprise on my birthday? So I wasn't expecting anything. I was just attending the regular classes and all of a sudden my classmates and all gathered with cake and all. That was mainly my best friend's idea, so she planned everything. She managed to get cake. That was so sweet, because I know how hard it is, because we were new there, we were doing our course, and that was so sweet. She managed to surprise me in the middle of that hectic course in Goa. I was so happy. It was so I got so emotional. I was overwhelmed and I cried in front of that many people. It was a little bit embarrassing, but I couldn't control. I was so happy. I was that happy. So she made my birthday a memorable one, so thanks to her. Yeah. What worked in 2022 is, I communicated often, be it in any relationship. Yeah, that I don't do it usually, because I don't like to sit and talk about the issues. So in 2022, I learned to have a communication. I learned to have a talk about that specific problems, instead of ignoring or running away from that issue. So I communicated often this year, in 2022. And what didn't work is I expect a lot. So that is something that I wanted to improve. I don't want to expect much from any kind of relationship, but I still do. Even though I try my best not to, it's really hard. So that I wanted to improve this year. Yeah. And one thing that didn't work this year is like I still have issue going to bed early and waking up early. I thought of improving it in 2022, but it is really hard. For that I have to change a lot of my habits. Yeah, that didn't happen in 2022. I hope and I will work on it this year, but let's see how it works. So the next question, so the question says, how did my life evolve in 2022, internally or external? Yeah, so this year a lot of things changed. I'm finally a married woman. I got married this year. I completed a course. What else? These two things are the highlights of 2022, and along with this, lot of changes happens. My bond improved with my friend. 2022, there was always ups and downs. There was a moment, a very sad and emotional moment with my friends, which eventually helped me improved my bonding with my friend. My marriage, which sounds like the happy moment only, but there was also the dark side of it. And the courses which taught me a lot. That course made me into a person who questioned a lot. Yeah, so all these experiences, opportunities helped me evolve and grow me as a person. So yeah, I guess I answered the question. So next question says, what about 22 I'm most grateful for? So 2022 is the year I felt really grateful for a lot of new experience, new memories, my friendship, my health, my families and all. So if I have to list what I am most grateful about is my friends. I'm really grateful for them because they were there in my best and my worst. So I really wanted to thank my friends, my small gang who are always there in my ups and downs. So I really wanted to thank them, before entering new year. And of course my families and my partners who are very supportive. So I really wanted to thank them also. And also this year's our bonding have improved in that level that I don't hide my vulnerability. So I got that safe space in them that I don't hide myself being emotional and all. So they understand me and I really felt I'm being heard by them. So I'm really really grateful for my friend, whatever. And then next question says, the favorite place you visit this year. So 2022, thank you, touch wood, I got to travel many new places. I won't say a lot of places, but I got to visit many new places. So one of my favorite visit of this year is Jim Corbett, where we stayed there for 2 to 3 days. It's kind of staycation, and with friends. I really enjoyed staying there because it was calm areas where there wasn't any other visitors in that resort. We were all alone, my friends. Yeah, I really enjoyed staying there. Even though I have that whole vlog, but I didn't upload it last year. Let's see if I may put that video in the YouTube, so let's see. One thing that you learn in 2022, as I have already told you that I learned to have a conversation. So one thing that I always kept in my mind this year, that in 2022, is that don't expect others to understand your problem if you don't talk about it. Conversation is key. So I learned how important conversation is. If you talk, the whole problem will be I won't say problem will be resolved quickly, but you will get a new perspective about why that person is thinking or doing such way. You will get to think and then evaluate, or so conversation is key in any relationship that I really think is important, and I learned this year to have a conversation. Even though I won't say that I mastered this art, but conversation sometimes it gets really uncomfortable, and it's not easy at all because you have to dig down a lot of things. So even if it's so uncomfortable, you have to do it. Yeah, that is the thing that I learned in 2022. What else? I guess I have answered all the questions. So with these questions, I'm going to end 2023 with a lot of positivity, openness, and let's see what 2023 have to serve. Yeah, good luck everyone. Wish you a very, very happy new year once again. So lots of positivities. Thank you guys for watching my videos. So this year I'm thinking about doing my videos in either in English or in Hindi, because I got some message from few people saying they want me to talk in Hindi or in other language so then they can understand. So yeah, and if I speak in Tibetan, then I have to put a lot of subtitles. There's a lot of work, so I thought it's easier for me to talk in English or in Hindi, even though I'm not that fluent, so bear with me. Yeah, thank you very much guys for showing love and support. Just keep supporting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. So yeah, wish you a very happy new year once again. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.